The call to prayer is made so that the Ahad believer or believers can prepare themselves inwardly and outwardly for the offering of prayer. This call should make ready those of you who are aware that you are about to stand at the foot of the throne of Ahezaah in worship, praise, and glorification of the Lord of all worlds. Before the offering of prayer, one must call what is known as the announcement for the time of prayer. When calling to prayer, one must face in the direction of the new Divine Center of Grace, located in the Western Hemisphere in the region of Orange, New Jersey, where the Divine Book of Recitation, subtitled the Holy Clarifier, the promised book of the seventh seal, was sent down. The announcement is performed in 3 parts. These are the words that you recite when calling to prayer, beginning with the first part.
Within the spirit of these named attributes of Ahezaah, the gracious, the ever-merciful, and the one who is ever forgiving, all praise is due to Ahezaah alone, the Lord of all the worlds, within and about all creation. Ahezaah is great, Ahezaah is great, Ahezaah is supreme over all. There is none worthy of worship save Ahezaah. There is none worthy of worship save Ahezaah. Ahezaah is the reality of all things, and all is within the kingdom and glory of Ahezaah. Lord Holy-Apostle Deen, the Holy-Spirited Archangel Gabriel, and Ahezaah are united as one. Ahezaah is great, Ahezaah is truth. Lord Holy-Apostle Deen speaks the truth. All praise is due to Ahezaah. Come fast to prayer, come fast to prayer. Come fast to truth, come fast to truth. Ahezaah is great, Ahezaah is great. There is none worthy of worship except Ahezaah alone.
The next part of the call is this short supplication.
Within the spirit of these named attributes of Ahezaah, the Most High, the Wise, and All-Knowing, listen. May Ahezaah, the gracious giver of life, bless us with life and peace during this gathering in its names. And when we leave, may each of us leave within the blessings of Ahezaah's wisdom, knowledge, and understanding in peace. Amen. So be it with thee, O Ahezaah.
Whenever Amen is said when making prayer, one should always respond by saying,
So be it with thee, O Ahezaah.
The final part of the call to prayer.
Ahezaah is great, Ahezaah is great. There is no reality except Ahezaah. Lord Holy-Apostle Deen is the messenger prophet of Ahezaah. Come fast to prayer, come fast to prayer. Come fast to truth, come fast to truth. Ahezaah is great, Ahezaah is great. There is no reality except Ahezaah.